Question 17 of the WASSCE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, that's your WAEC 2019. It says, if 3p is equal to 4q and 9p is equal to 8q minus 12, find the value of p and q, that's p times q. That's what the question is asking us to find. Find the value of p times q, okay? So from here, let's try to look for p and q, okay? Alright, so we can first of all use this first equation. We have two equations here, which is what 3p is equal to what 4q, equation 1, and the second is what 9p is equal to what 8q minus 12, that's equation 2. So let's make p the subject of formula in equation 1. Alright, then putting the value of p into this equation so we can find q, okay? So here, making p the subject of formula, we have here 3p is equal to 4q. Is that not it? Divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3, cancel, and we're left here with what p is equal to what 4q over 3. So let's put in the value of p as this into this equation. So here, what do we have here? We have 9, putting p as this, we have 9 times what 4q over 3 equal to what 8q minus what 12. So 3 will cancel out. That not say 3 here, 1, 3, 9 will go how many times? 3 times. When we're left with 3 times 4q, that will give us what 12q equal to 8q minus 12. So let's take q to this side. So we have 12q minus 8q is equal to what? Minus 12. Alright, so 8q, so 12q minus 8q will give us what? A 4q, positive, okay, equal to minus what? 12. So to get q, we divide both sides by 4. This will cancel out. How many times the 4 go in? 12, that will go 3 times. Don't forget your minus sign. We have a minus what? 3. Okay, so from here, let's put in q, which is equal to minus 3, into this equation so we can find our p. So we have p is equal to what? 4 times what? Minus 3 divided by 3. So here we have 3. We'll cancel out this 3 here. We have 1. Okay, we're left with 1, so we have a minus 1, and 4 times minus 1 will give us with a minus 4. So p is equal to minus 4. So, and our question asks us to find, our question has asked us to find the value of p and q, that's p times q, and p is what? Minus 4, and q is what? Minus 3. So we have here minus 4 times minus 3. And what would that give us? A minus multiplying a minus would be a positive. So, and a 4 times 3 will give us what? A 12. So we have a 12 as an answer, positive 12. And our right option here is option A.